Good morning children, Joyada here. Welcome to the math class. A new chapter, squares and square root. In this exercise, in this chapter, we'll discuss some new things here which is related to square of any numbers. Say, we know that 1 square means 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square, 2 into 2, that means 2 will come 2 times. 2 square means 2 will come 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. In this way, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. So whatever, whenever you will do this, you do by your own in your copy, and you need to observe something. What you need to observe, you need to observe that in a one's place which numbers are coming. In one's place which numbers are coming. See, 1, here 1. In one's place I can see that 1 is there. Okay, 1 can come. When we are squaring any number, 1 can come. But 2, can you see 2 is there? In any number, can you see 2 is there? No. 3, see, observe these numbers. Can you see 3 anywhere? No. But 4, yes, 4 is there. 4, 2 2s are 4. And again, 8 square, is it? It is 64. So 4 is also there. 5, yes, 5 is there only. 5 square is 25. So 5 is also there. 6, yes, 4 4s are 16, 6 is there, and 6 6 are 36, 6 is also there. So 6 there is there, but 7, check all the numbers. Can you see 7 anywhere? No. 8, check the numbers in the ones place. Can you see 8? No. 9, yes, 9 you can see. 3 square is 9, and 7 square is 49. So unit place number is 9. 10. 10 square is 100. That means when we will see, we can see that 2 zeros are there. That means even number of zeros are there, it can be a square number. So whenever we are making these squares, not only we will make the multiplication of the number by that number, we have to observe the numbers in the ones place also. Okay. Now it is up to 10 I have written, but I need up to 25 square. That means after 10 square you will do 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square. In this way up to 25 square I need in this section, in this class. Now question number 1. Come to question number 1. This is introduction part, introductional part we have completed. Now we will start the sum. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? Unit digit, that means the number is 81. As the number is 81, so its square will be 81 square. That means 81 into 81. No need to multiply. Now 81 square, the question was what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers. So everywhere you no need to multiply 81 into 81. Just I am showing you how you can find that what will be the unit digit when you will make the square of 81. So 81 square means 81 into 81. If you multiply, just do it in a rough page, rough space. 81 into 81. What will be the unit place, boys? Students. 1 into 1, 1. 8 ones are 8 into 8 ones are 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 ones are 8. 8 8s are 64. So when you are getting the result 16, 5, 6, no need to find all this result. What was the question? Question is asking what will be the unit place digit. So you can see that unit place digit is 1. So without multiplying, we can say that When 81 is multiplied by 81, that means for the unit place you are actually multiplying 1 into 1. In the unit place you are actually multiplying 1 into 1. So what will be the unit digit? The unit digit will be is 81 square. In unit digit is 1. It is a rough work. You can do this as in a rough page, rough column. See, the same way when you are multiplying 3853, you are doing this square only. So what you will get in the unit place? That means obviously 3 into 3 you will multiply. You will multiply 3 into 3. How? 3853. 3853 into 3853. We will not multiply everything. 3 3 is 9. So what result you will get at the unit place? So unit place digit will be 3853 into 3853. Therefore the unit place digit will be 9, because 3 3s are 9. You can see that 3 3s are 9. The same way you can do this one also. 25698. 25698. When you are making square of this number, 25698 into 25698. So what will be the unit place digit? It will be 8 8 just 64. So when it will be 64, then the unit place digit will be 4. Understood? The same way, when you will multiply 5 5 5 5 5 tens 100 1000 55,555, when you are squaring this number, what you will get? You will get 5 into 5, sorry, 5555 55555 into 5 5 5 55,555, and you know that when you are actually multiplying for the unit place, 5 5s are. You are multiplying 5 5s are. So what result you will get? You will get 5. 5 5s are 25. I hope all of you have understood what is the process, what is the work you are doing here. You have to find the unit digit. No need to find the result of the multiplication. You have to find the ones place digit. That means they are asking you, did you understand? If you multiply 81 into 81, actually for the unit place you are multiplying 1 into 1. For the unit place you are multiplying 3 into 3. For the unit place you are multiplying 8 into 8. And 8 into 8 means 64. Unit place digit will be 64. For this one, 5 into 5, that means 25, and it is 5. Next question is, the following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reason. That means whatever the numbers are given here, I am not writing all the numbers here. Only selected few numbers I have written here. So you have to give the answer why they are not a perfect square. The question is already telling that they are obviously not a perfect square. Then why they are not a perfect square? Listen, as we have discussed it before, that which numbers we are getting as a perfect square number. At the unit place, which numbers we are getting when we are squaring the numbers? The numbers are, we can see that the numbers are, when we are squaring the numbers, we are getting 1 4 9 6 1 4 9 6. We can write 5 6 5 6. Yes, and even numbers of zeros. So these are the numbers. If we get in ones place, then we can say that these numbers are perfect square number. So these are the numbers 1 4 1 4 9 5 6 and even numbers of zeros. If we can get in the place last digit, then we can say that these are the perfect square. Now we will check in this respect. We will check that the following numbers are following numbers are obviously not a perfect square. So see here which number is there in the unit place. In the ones place, you can see that it is ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. No need to see these all. We have to concentrate only in the ones place. And ones place number is 7. Can you see 7 is there in any perfect square number? No. So as we have to write here, the reason is the unit place number is 7, which is not as the unit place number. Better you write in this way. The unit place number ends with 7, and you know that 7 is not there. So in this way you can continue all the answer. See, the number is 7928. The unit place number is 8. The unit place number is 8. Here the unit place number is, though the unit place number is 0, but count, there are odd numbers of zeros. So odd numbers of zeros cannot be a perfect square number. Here the numbers at the end is, the number ends with 2. So it is not a perfect square number, and the number ends with 0. That means odd number of 0, which is also not a perfect square number. So in this way you need to write your answer, and I hope whatever the topic we have discussed here, you all understood. Thank you, students.